We are animals. I am a cat, and you are likely a human. Let's look at where humans fit in the animal kingdom with taxonomy, from the most broad category to the more specific ones. Our domain is eukarya, because we have cells that contain a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Our kingdom is Animalia, because we are multicellular and heterotrophic, which basically means we don't produce our own food, we eat other things. Next, our phylum is Chordata, because we have the following list of things at some point in our life. Number 1, the pharyngeal slits. These are a series of holes that expose the inside of the neck to the outside. For example, gills in fish. You might already realize that you don't have holes like that on your neck. Hopefully you don't, at least, because this is a feature human embryos have, which are these pharyngeal arches you see in this photo, which start to be seen around the 3 to 4 week mark, and they end up diminishing as you grow. Number 2, the dorsal nerve cord. These are nerve fibers that run down your back and connect the brain to your muscles and organs. You, of course, still have this. You wouldn't be watching this video or doing anything if you didn't. Number 3, the notochord, which is a cartilaginous rod that runs underneath and supports the nerve fibers. This is another thing you develop as an embryo, and soon enough it gets replaced by your spine. Number 4, the postanal tail, which is an extension of the body past the butt. For humans, this is another thing you develop as an embryo that soon recedes back to what is your coccyx. For me, a cat, however, I get to keep the tail through development. That is all for what defines us as Chordata. Our class is Mammalia, which means we have hair, sweat glands, some of which produce milk, and we have a unique jaw articulation where the lower jaw forms a joint with the squamosal here on the skull. This is where we split from one another. Humans are a part of the order Primate, and me, a cat, is a part of the order Carnivora. Being a primate means that you generally have 5-fingered grasping hands, fingernails, and forward-facing eyes. Also, almost all primates have relatively large brains, longer lifespans relative to other mammals, longer juvenile development, and are social. Next, humans are a part of Hominidae, which include the great apes like chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, etc. Next, the genus humans are a part of is Homo, which includes humans and their ancestors. Other humans include Homo neanderthalensis, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, etc., though they are all extinct except for us. Finally, the species sapien refers to you. That is how you and every other person you know are nested within the animal kingdom, your little slice of the pie. The boxes we draw around nature are not perfect and have changed as time has gone on, but that is how you are classified taxonomically. Anyway, thank you for watching, and remember to never stop learning.